Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to add the whiteboard effect onto your CapCut clip. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, go to Video Effects, scroll down to Opening and Closing, and then we'll find the whiteboard effect. Click and drag it down to your timeline, and then we can actually go up to Special Effects and mess around with the speed. So let's see if the speed would be good at 50. Let's take a look. Oops. So I'd have to shorten it a bit. Okay, we got to shorten it even more. And that's how you do it. For some reason, some of these effects, you have to edit them a little bit. For this one, it comes out and the end of it actually repeats itself, but doesn't actually finish. So you have to kind of shorten the clip, the effect itself. So if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.